Union Minister of State Independent Charge for Ayush and Minister of State for Health and Family Welfare Prataprao Jadhav has written to the Union Minister for Youth Affairs and Sports Dr. Mansukh Mandavia on his own initiative, urging that India's celebrated weightlifter and Olympic medalist Mirabai Chanu be considered for the prestigious Arjuna Award this year. In his letter, Union Minister Prataprao Jadhav highlighted Mirabai Chanu's exceptional achievements and her remarkable contribution to Indian weightlifting. The minister noted that the athlete from Manipur has created history through her outstanding performances at the Commonwealth Games, bringing immense pride to the nation. Prataprao Jadhav highlighted Mirabai Chanu's remarkable record of winning gold medals at successive editions of the Commonwealth Games and her distinction of being the athlete who won India's first gold medal on each of these occasions. The minister also highlighted her exceptional performances in the 48 kg category, including her record-breaking lifts in the snatch, clean and jerk and total lift categories. Jadhav further highlighted that Mirabai Chanu has already been honored with several of the country's highest sporting recognitions, including the Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award and the Padma Shri, besides winning an Olympic medal. However, her childhood dream of receiving the Arjuna Award, which she had nurtured since her early days of training in her village in Manipur, remains unfulfilled. Urging the Union Minister for Youth Affairs and Sports to consider her nomination, Minister Prataprao Jadhav expressed that honoring Mirabai Chanu with the Arjuna Award would be a fitting recognition of her outstanding performances, exceptional talent and invaluable contribution to Indian sport. He also asserted that Psycho Mirabai Chanu's inspiring journey from a small village in Manipur to becoming one of India's most accomplished weightlifters is a testament to her determination, perseverance and dedication, and serves as an inspiration to millions of young Indians.